Welcome back to our new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about how to connect earbuds in Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you connect your earbuds in Redmi 10 phone? Today I'm going to tell you about this setting in this video. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now guys, time to start video. First of all, open your setting app and guys on your Bluetooth. Guys, take your earbuds, AirPods, guys. Guys, we have to wait for some second. So as you can see, put on TWS, guys. It's my AirPods name. Click on guys put on TWS and guys pair option. Click. So you can see, guys, my AirPod has connected and guys I can use it. So that's it, guys. I think you have understood how to connect AirPods in Redmi 10 phone. So bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we'll meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video.